you've been wondering what the blow-off valve will sound like on your 2.7 F150, then this video is for you. So the first one is on the stock blow-off valve with the windows down. Here we go. We've got the TurboSmart supersonic blow-off valve installed. This first set is with the windows down. And now with the windows up. And this is what it's like to drive with the blow-off valve installed. Oh my god, so I fucking love that sound, and it doesn't hurt that we've got our MPT93 PRX tune installed, so you could hear it breaking loose. Sounds absolutely amazing.